In this pencast, we're going to talk about 30, 60, 90 triangles. So the problem says, if triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, what is the length of BD? And in our triangle, we're given that angle CAD equals 30 degrees and line AD is 10. So first let's look at just the little triangle. So A, C, and B, we have 30 degrees here, and this is 10. So if we want to find this other angle right here, we know that all of the angles in a triangle have to add up to 180 degrees. So that should equal 90 degrees plus 30 degrees plus our unknown. So when you solve for x, x equals 60 degrees. So we have a 60 degrees there. So we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So now we can solve for AC, and we know that this is the segment across from the 60 degree angle, so we can do 1/2 times the hypotenuse times the square root of 3, which is 1/2 times our 10 times our square root of 3, or 5 square root of 3. And then if we want to find the length of CD, we can do 1/2 times the hypotenuse, since it is the segment across from the 30 degree angle. So that's 1/2 times 10, or 5. So now if we go and look at our whole triangle, we have A, C, and B. If we know this is 5 square root of 3, we know that this triangle is an isosceles triangle, which means two of the sides have to be the same, so it's going to be the two legs. So this also has to be 5 square root of 3. So now we know the value of CB and CD, but we don't want to know BD. So we can do CB minus CB equals our BD. So we had CB as 5 square root of 3, and we're going to subtract our CD, which was 5, to get our BD. Now we can't subtract these because one is multiplied by a square root. So we can plug the square root into our calculator to simplify it to get 1.732, still multiplied by 5, minus 5, equals our BD. If you multiply that by 5, that's 8.66 minus 5. And then 8.66 minus 5 is 3.66 equals BD.